IPv6 is the latest version of the Internet Protocol, which allows devices to communicate with each other. While IPv6 will eventually replace IPv4, at the moment they're both live and operating. Whether you want to enable or disable IPv6, you're in the right place. Windows 11, as same as Windows 10, offers at least 3 ways to disable IPv6 on your computer. In this video, I'll show you how. First, open the control panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings at the left. Right-click your connection and choose Properties. Uncheck the box next to Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6, to disable it. Select OK to confirm the change. Done! Now that you've successfully disabled IPv6 on Windows 11, remember that you can re-enable it using the same steps if needed.